take your time and you'll be alright. Because you understand it. Because I'm watching you. This is the only other place outside Jamaica I see. I've as much as I see in Jamaica. When it comes. Blessings again, viewers and subs. It's your boy Taz here with another video of the series Grenada, See the World. Yeah man, we have a lot of videos coming out. As you know, I'm currently in Grenada, beautiful island, enjoying it to the max, you know. So we have a whole hell amount of videos to come out. So I want you to enjoy it. And you don't know, my videos, they're not really, we don't script videos, we don't write what we're going to say, we just say it. You understand? Naturally. Yeah man, so if it's the first time, welcome to the channel. If you've been here before or you've been a subscriber, welcome back. Yeah man, so please like, share and subscribe. And comment, leave a comment. If there's somewhere I'm missing or somewhere you suggest I should visit while I'm here in Grenada, please, leave a name or a location or whatever, and I'll try my best to see, check it out. Yeah man, enjoy. Blessing. Well, this is actually my first day on the streets of Grenada, the morning after my arrival into this beautiful, beautiful island. Some people will say from them born at the last day till now.
But most of them say, this is the last day. We're in the last days,
Yeah.
But they don't take heat,
This is the river here?
Yeah.
See, it gets shallow now.
You see all that sometimes out here, so? We only some big fish, Big fish, so
yeah. You have to go where water more quiet.
No, sir. Fishing
Look at too much stone.
You see all them stone there, sir? That's how we're fishing. That way guys will be wide. You understand? You can see the impression of the river,
Yeah. So so all them people survive then? All them survive?
These people,
Yeah. Cause I remember if the water come, remember the river come back and claim the land. Then problems.
No, when the river coming down is like when the rain fall. Listen man, so when you stand up here, you see the water just there.
Yeah.
You know? You see the water just here. You see?
They must get flooded out though, Trev.
No, they're not flooded.
What do you mean? I mean, look, that's in a hole.
They're not flooded. You see from the back of this house there?
Yeah.
All in the back there, so see all the houses in the back there? To go right back up as far as you can see, yeah? They call it over the gun battle.
Why?
So that's where all the people in the back, they don't sleep.
Okay.
They sleep in the day and they're out at night.
Okay.
Even just the other day, me and Charlie were sitting in that shop there, and one of them guys cut the other one throat.
What you say?
Yeah, man. I really bad business.
So over this is like a whole different city.
Different. After taking the back there, it's like a ghetto.
Yeah. Yeah, I was like a place like this.
Proper ghetto.
Yeah.
You can't just come and just go inside there like that.
Yeah.
You can't just go inside there like that. You can't even go there with your camera and thing.
Yeah, I know. There's certain place I can take a picture of Alex there. You can't see it when you go in the house, you can see it better. You can see it?
Yeah, so that's the river we're gonna fish.
It's when I put on the proper lens. This is just for vlogging. Yeah. When I put on the proper lens, you will see the difference.
This is cerebral fish. We will start up there, we will come down the river, and then we will come out, take the car and go further up.
Next I ain't going, too much stone.
Man, listen,
It have to be somewhere like there. It's like how does it stay?
Listen, this is something. Some places you have to go in the water and walk across. You understand? But we're holding big fish out here. So. Big, I tell you what I tell you, big.
Yeah?
Mm.
Yeah, but if you're throwing your line, you don't need to go in the water.
Yeah, but you have to walk down the river because it's when you hold up there, you got to keep walking down, and then you come out, you take the car, we go further up the river, and we walk a little bit, and we fish.
This river look crazy. At least it's cleaner than Ghana River. You will never see a river. river in Ghana, boy, I tell you.
They just try to keep it clean, but you know the people in them, you know, you can't control them.
So when you go behind the place where we're gonna stay, yeah? The sea behind there.
Yeah.
That's what I want to see. I want to see the river. I want to see the big boy thing. Yeah.
Have you seen the back there? It's not really clean.
Oh, you know clean. It don't make sense then. I want to go somewhere where really nice. Like even what we passed last night.
Let's go on the jet.
Huh?
Let's go on the jet. We have a fish.
What's that? Yeah, take me more and go. You see which part we go last night? When them boats and there's some more and go. I don't want to really see the garrison like that. I want something nice.
Red beans and rice, all the strawberry, fish on the fire, she took up turkey, and then you have mutton. The fish is already
Where you see this one?
What's that?
That's
And chowder.
yeah, strawberry,
So this is what?
yeah, red beans and rice, potato salad, carrot and cabbage salad.
I like that.
Right, see that next one?
Yeah, but I don't want no meat though.
You don't know? Okay.
You have any vegetable? No.
Well, that was ready, the callaloo not ready, isn't it?
Yeah, stuff like
These
that.
two?
Yeah. Where have them something like that? That's what they call it. Cupcake, yeah. Same thing.
Anyways,
Huh? Yeah. Yeah.
no meat, sir?
What's that?
Want any meat? What meat?
No meat. No meat.
You want some of this or yeah?
No.
There's the rice, the frozen.
Yeah. It might sound like a strange mixture, though. Because I don't have this, I don't.
You want Parmesan?
What's that?
That's sweet potato. Brown
Yeah, man, let me try that shit. Yeah. Give me. Yeah. This is a banana, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
green bananas.
Don't mind him, Mr. Englishman.
I'm a Jamaican first.
Want any of this?
Yeah, this is
Potato salad.
yeah.
You want any dressing on it?
Like
You have garlic sauce and you have mayonnaise.
no.
Okay.
You know eat mayonnaise. You know mayonnaise.
I don't know sauce. Just tomato
Yeah.
ketchup or barbecue sauce.
We're trying to live long, eh? So them say your food is your medicine. Them say if you not pay for it in the food, you will pay for it in the hospital later. Yeah.
It's like that.
Yeah.
Nice. It looks very nice as well.
Yes.
Which for a spoon?
I'm going home, so
There's a bag.
I'm a big next time.
take a picture at the shop before I will come back now. I like the setup.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. What's your name?
Indra.
Huh?
Indra.
Indra.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Bless you.
Thanks.
All right.
Them fellas and them catch it. I know they eat it.
What's that?
A iguana.
Is it?
Yeah, look at the I hold it in a shop up the road. You run inside the shop and everybody start to run at the shop. You know?
We're waiting down here.
Right. Hey, how you doing?
Morning, very good.
Yeah?
Past come early?
No, I think she came in
Because she came in 29 or somewhere.
today.
Today is the 31st.
Yes, she came yesterday.
So you put here.
Yes.
And your wife come too?
Yeah, that's my wife there.
Oh, I didn't make all
Yeah.
And who's he?
This is my friend from Jamaica.
Okay, friend.
But he's the one that will be doing the streaming.
Okay.
Yeah,
Alright.
All right.
See you the 7th. We are the 7th.
So, yeah. Okay, all right.
Thank you.
Pat cousin.
Taz, just take off piece. Take this from me.
Exactly.
Yeah. That's the vehicle?
Yeah.
Oh, we're walking.
You just yeah.
Oh,
You're driving.
I see you walking near the vehicles. I'm thinking, who's that? Who's that girl?
On the front.
Yeah.
It's a food shop. See that shop straight in front of you there again?
Mm.
It's another food shop. So we have food shop on top of the place.
Can you imagine when this used to be? Look at that. Think about history.
What
Imagine
is
when
that?
that was live. It was just a church and it was live. Now it's just, you know.
It's
and
dead?
I think it was built in. Was it 1842 is when the church was built, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That church was built.
I tried to take the picture and imagine morning. I tried to
I don't
picture
know
and
if
imagine
when
when
I
it was.
before. We
when
in
it
the
was
16th
like-
century. I thought in the 16th century.
You know, you start to look at it and you can imagine what it looked like when it was new, when people used to go there. So this is my cousin's house. I was hoping that we could have used this one.
Okay.
She's already rented. Downstairs is obviously the show.
This one nicer.
But
This one
upstairs,
look
we would've used-
cleaner.
Yeah, because she's only just made this one. Is that? How old is this one? About 2 years, 4 years old, most.
Well, 2 years.
About 3 years old. So upstairs we would have used up there.
Okay.
Here is where this is how the houses were when I was a child.
Like this.
Yeah. This, watch, see this? That's what this looked like. So
Really?
this is what was here, and now we put this there. So this is what it was before. Because I got confused because I thought this is the house that I grew up in. Whichever said no, it was that house. So that's what it looked like.
So you didn't even know where you grow?
Because I know where I go, but what I'm saying is
Thank you, Lex.
How
She
you-
didn't know where she grow.
no, because this house
Yeah.
was always here, and this is exactly what it looked like.
Yeah.
And then obviously she knocked it down, and then she put like this instead. So she built this one instead.
Instead of this.
Yeah, but as a child, I remember being here. 'Cause I remember the doors are still the same. I
Yeah.
can remember going in, playing.
Well, everyone in the Caribbean grew up in a house like
I'll
this.
tell you.
Every single
And you
one.
know, it's always pretty inside. It's always
Yeah,
pretty
clean.
inside. Clean, you know. You
Tell
don't watch where you see the house
It's even
looking like that.
it's even cleaner than even the ones.
I'm telling you. And you have your pictures, and don't forget you always have your Christ, you know. Don't forget your Christ on the wall. Eh?
Jesus.
You better have your Jesus up on the wall. Hey. So yeah, all of that. It's just like, and when you go inside, it's immaculate. I love that about the people, where they make good of what they have. You
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah.
So they'll watch it, and I love the fact that there's no the airs and graces.
Yeah.
Someone can have a massive house, so someone can have a massive house next door to a shanty house.
Yeah.
There's no you got a better house than me. This,
So you can't
If
build
go
that
out,
here.
If your garden ain't kept clean, someone reporting you.
Yeah.
And you better make sure you bring it at the tone of the whole place.
And they probably
Yeah.
move too.
Hello, my brother.
He's the one that.
I know, I recognize him. You're the one who's always out there digging and getting everyone organized.
Yeah.
You know every grave inside there.
Every.
This man knows every
Everybody
grave
knows
inside the
that.
grave.
Yeah?
Everybody do that yet.
Everybody
You
dead
know,
yet.
you know everybody. Oh, you sir. So you're gonna be there?
That's, yeah.
You're gonna be there? You're gonna organize and make sure they're doing the right thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I just talk to them. They
Okay.
have to put the cover.
Okay, they have to cut the guava?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, bless you.
And they bought me wife dead a few days ago.
Oh my gosh, condolences. Sorry.
America.
A bury already?
Yeah.
How long? It's only
Yeah,
3 days?
More than that. About a month now.
Oh, a month ago she passed.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
We together 56 years.
Wow.
56.
Wow.
Little children.
What?
Oh, you was chilling together?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
56 years, you know.
How you coping? How you feeling? How you do it?
Not yet.
Mm.
I
You don't
do-
have time to think yet?
No.
Mm. Yeah, man, that's hard, man. 56 years.
Yeah, in 69.
Mm.
We married in 50 years.
Right, okay.
We good. God keep us good. And have a cool day.
Yeah, man. Respect. Yeah. All right. Wow.
So this is the church.
Oh, that's
That's where it's going to be.
okay.
St. John's Anglican.
Sorry. Okay.
And she's going to be burying in the back. My dad's in the back already.
Wow.
So it's going to be in there.
Church nice though.
And then we have the graveyard behind. So it's going to bury behind. And then when we finish, we come across. I haven't even seen the hall myself. There's supposed to be a hall here somewhere.
Is that where Trevor gone?
Yeah.
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 Okay.
Well, it should be here. I think, I can't remember if the hall is just behind there.
So you don't know where Trevor gone?
No, you have to come here. Here's the office, so he has to be here.
Okay.
I hope he's coming inside here. So this is the office. That's the pastor's house, or the priest's house. We got one there. That's the house they have. And I think the hall is round the back here. Round the back way.
Wow. Heading into Grenville for the mountain. So we have cargo in the back. This way you talking to they close the road. I have to go all the way around to come. It's not this one.
This one I was talking about
Okay.
last night.
Yeah, so tell nothing in Jamaica. Look like it's somewhere set here. Look at it. The same very thing. Tell that this is not Jamaica. If I should show anybody, nobody can tell that this is not. The very same thing, exactly the road, the trees, gully. Okay. Spring water. Okay. Same thing, man. Some of them police have been sometime. These things, this is whole Caribbean city. That is the same people, the same level. So, close that tree. This looks like St. Mary, man. Oh my gosh. natural first day. My first day actually on the road in Grenada. I'm out and about. My boy here, see him? Anywhere you go, you see him. Everywhere we go, he's there. Soon the next time you see us again, where we? In Ghana. Next time you see us, we in Ghana. This is serious business. So you have people in the back there too. You drive like you have sugar and rice around there. Yeah? Buy some land yesterday. Yeah, I'm sure this land was yeah? When we get to where we're going to eat it. No, I have to warm it up little. That's one of the box. The bag here. If it was today, now I have it. Last night the temperature was fine. At least the road them good down here. Yeah, the road them good at least. Them really that government fix the road down here. You look at the road really, really good. It's all this cocoa. Hey, this is the only place, I ain't gonna lie, this is the only other place outside Jamaica I see about as much as I see in Jamaica. When it comes to banana, cocoa, orange, all of this stuff, that's in Jamaica. Not even Trinidad I go, I don't see all of it. You have a kitchen? Oh, in the pot?
Yeah, no. They like Jamaica export.
Okay. Yeah, I got it. So like, we have the ackee tree and all that kind of stuff.
We have. Not plentiful as...
You don't study it like that?
No.
Okay. Yeah, man. So, like I said, this today is day one out and around. I came in last night, but today is day one out and around, and I ain't gonna lie, I'm already impressed. It feel like I said, this is the only place. So if I take the time, because you have them people on the back. You have people on the back when you take them corners. And you forget these people don't know how to hold on, you know. Listen, you're on the bus in London and you jam your brake and people on the floor. How you fall off a seat? You understand? So, people fall off seat. So just imagine here. Huh? Okay. Yeah, man, we're going through the mountain. When I hear you talking about mountains, I never take you seriously. Yeah, man, now I see it's real mountain. So why you not cut out them little stuff here? Look at it. It's stop. Take off a top or something. Trev, when you're here in Grenada, you drive like a gangster. But when you're in Ghana for some reason, I don't know. What's the difference? Because in Ghana, for some reason, you don't like driving there. It's pure confusion.
There's no law.
People everywhere. It's true. Yeah. They say in Ghana is lawless. Yeah. But I'm not gonna lie. People really are really nice. Like Jamaica, green too. I mean, look at this. You could pass as some places in St. Mary, in Portland, in Manchester, St. Thomas, in certain places in Manchester too. But this is more of a St. Mary look. Look at them palm tree, Trev. Palm tree nice enough. Get two of them in my yard. A Ghana, the big one. What? Yeah, man, Grenada definitely. 10 out of 10. Big up for Grenada. I like it. So, look, come on. You're driving the right place. I'm not saying these things not in other Caribbean countries, no, but in certain countries that it's more obvious. This place, honestly, is more obvious than the sea. So, and you know what? I'm out here bragging on Grenada this. See that? That's stumps. Dangerous enough. Stumps. Yeah, I hear Trevor there bragging Grenada this and Grenada that, and like here whatever. But I ain't gonna lie. I'm humble. Yeah man, cause it's all them. See them have enough of them in Jamaica there. And some of these things that it's a life. Right? When we were young and we used to take these things for granted. I ain't gonna lie, I realize now how important when I see them on TV talking about some big names. And these are the bush that we used to chop down and dash to the side. When I see them talking about dandelion and some clove and certain other bush, merengue and the thing, I was thinking about grow up seeing these things every day. Granted. Until afterwards now you start seeing him and look. Legend. Yo, Legend. I have to bring you some of them spice here. Yeah, what's the man over here? Why Legends them have stuff down here, you know? Cinnamon spice. No, that's nutmeg, yeah. See it? Hey Trev, listen, one day we'll make a thing and we'll come and show me all of the trees them and thing. Yeah? So, clove, yeah. See? All of these things. Look, they're here in the land of the spice. The land of the spice. What? The sweet apple? Wait on, Nisberry? Wait on, go. Yeah, see, hey, even mangoes is in Grenada. Can you believe that? Oh my gosh, Trevor. You have mangoes? Even mangoes. Even the very mangoes is here in Grenada. Yeah, man. I'm impressed. I'm a fan. Yeah, people, Trevor we were talking about the whether it's custard apple, and so you have the inside the seed is like yeah, sharp. Look at the river. I like this river. This river clean.
Yeah. We go get dirty
With the rain. Okay.
That's clean river. The Demo river around is clean.
Trevor, put on your wiper now, man.
There's nobody live around.
I can't see nothing. Trevor, I like round here. You see how this green? This is how the land's supposed to be. This reminds me of St. Mary, man. Yeah, we were talking earlier. Trevor and I were talking, and he couldn't remember because they obviously call different names in Grenada from Wally. Hey, I read in the land of spice for you know. They have enough. When you look at these trees, everyone bearing. I don't see no mango yet though.
Yeah, you just pass it with mango.
Mango?
Yeah, man. Come mango tree.
Look at nutmeg enough.
Come over the tree. Oh, there is a nice mango tree over there. I think you even have mango on it.
Trevor, we need to come talk to them people and get some.
This mango tree.
Yeah, that's this big mango tree here.
Yeah, mango. Last time I passed it. We passed a mango tree down there. How mango on it?
Is it?
Yeah, the one that we have to be spring is. There was mango on the ground.
Okay.
All this whole you have 3 days and 4 feel like nutmeg.
Yeah, see, look at nutmeg.
Real nutmeg go all the way to that.
I mean, I see nutmeg to be honest, but I never see so much nutmeg. Look. I never see so much nutmeg. I mean, we have a lot of nutmeg in Jamaica. Especially, you know, where I come from.
If I bring you some places, you see nutmeg, you can even finish walking through it.
Yeah man, nutmeg is a big deal here. Look at nutmeg. I see all yam. See yam them run up on the yam run up on the trees. Yeah.
So nice flowers. Them long.
Yeah. That's what I was asking earlier. It look like banana leaf. I know them.
Call it
Bally J. Bally J.
Yeah.
Bally J. Yeah man, the land of spice, I tell you, it's really sugar and spice. Think about it twice, it's nice. Yeah, rain, this is what we like. And sun at the same time. Where we still have a thing in Jamaica, we say
rain and sun jump be married in?
Satan and God
yeah,
like,
we say it rain and sun jumpy is like Satan.
Yeah.
Jumpy married.
Yeah, something like that, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I'm humbled. That's why sometimes you can't talk too much without knowing first, you know. And that's true. You can't argue a situation you feel like you know without the experience first. You know what I mean? Because I'm telling you.
That's how you're traveling the world.
Yes. See the world. That's this is a series called See the World. Right now we're in Grenada, the land of spice. Trust me.
Where next? We have to find out.
Yeah. Where next? That's the question. So we're gonna explore Grenada to its full potential. My brother here promised. And the funny thing is, I wanted to come to Grenada. We were planning a Grenada trip. I mean, it's not the best occasion, but you know, we have to make the best of it. You know. And you know, we went to Ghana. We spent probably about 5 days in Ghana. We never spent long, and we had to come back. Down by the river. They have a lot of river too. Yeah, so we end up leave Ghana and you know, went back to the UK. Then my brother end up leave the UK and he came to Grenada to come and arrange stuff that we plan to do here. So now, yeah. So now, yeah. So now we honestly we're here in Grenada, and I'm glad I came. And I love Grenada. I ain't gonna lie. This is probably one of the places that feel closest to Jamaica. To me personally, here in the Caribbean. I've gone to a couple of them Caribbean countries, but there's a couple of them I wanted to explore. You know what I mean? So, you know, this week today is my first day out in the land, and I'm impressed. Even from last night when come here and when you look at this country. Yeah. I'm good. I'm there. Yeah, man. Let me go and check on my cargo.
Oh my God, you can't go check on his cargo yet.
I'm checking on my cargo. So we've been driving. You know what? Come here, young man.
Hey.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Park your vehicle. Make sure you put your handbrake on. Put your handbrake on?
Yeah.
This Utah. And I said to you, Papi, you put your handbrake on? Yeah. May I have to shake your hand? And I tell you what, the reason why this bridge, young youth just passed him test in the UK, and trust me, the way I see you handle them road, you're doing your thing, bro. Take your time and you'll be alright. Because you understand it, because I'm watching you. Yeah. One of the time I forget that you was even there. I was even saying to your father, I say you need to calm down and see Jeremiah. And I look, I see Jeremiah license plate behind you like this. I'm like, what?
I don't want, is that Seymour?
Yeah, so him just fresh past him test and here in Grenada, driving. And this is my friendly cargo.
Yeah.
Everyone here.
Snow White, Seymour.
See? Everybody belly full now. Everybody good?
Yeah.
You ready to go, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, let's continue. All right. Hold on there, Trevor. Right. What are you buy?
We call it snow ice.
Snow ice.
So it's
At Jamaica we call it suck. Yeah, but suck. It's like it doesn't look like that. That look more like of a I'm sure somebody just says the sea moss or something like that. Yeah, suck. For us is like, it's almost like a Kool-Aid, like a lemonade, Kool-Aid kind of thing, yeah. Where you mix it, nice. So we used to
mix it like a juice and freeze it.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Yeah, man. So back to it again. What you want to do? Look at this. Yeah, man. So we back on the road again. And this is good. Like I said, this is a series on Grenada. Right through, we are going right through the island. We are going right through the country. We are getting to understand, connection to people. And I'm telling you, if you drop me, if you blindfold me and bring me here and leave me, and you don't give me a name of anywhere, and we don't hear the people talk, I would think this is somewhere in Jamaica that I've never been to yet. You know what I mean? And this is proper. I like it. Hey, it's even better. But if these ones some of them up and down. I didn't want to remind you of Steve and Tom. Yeah, man, but I see young Jeremiah there. Yeah, man, the road wet, so we have to take the time with him. Because just passing him. Yes. And the funny thing is, it was last night the match the physical license, man. Jeremiah moved like a dignitary. His license was flew in from London to him. And by hand, and handed over to him personally. So, congratulations again. This is good. It's all good. Another one from take the time on the road. It's for you, it's alright for you, but him is the one without experience. You're not listening, you're still driving fast. And it's raining. I'm telling you. One thing I've noticed, I mean, look at it. Look at this here. The slave master did a good number, because I was looking just now. The police look the same, the bus stop look the same, the vehicle them look the same, the people them look the same, but they just, the country look the same, it's just a different place. That's why they create our okay. Yeah man, even the container they look the same. Look at it. Up to 150. 58 independence. The shops they look the same. Everybody finding something, everybody doing something. Even the baker look the same. The man in the bread shop. Yeah, man, this place is nice. Yeah, up here dry. We reach at the dry spot. Off the mountain now. Look at that over there. Whoa. Water, the beach look the same. Nice. Yeah, man, even the bus stop, they look the same. See, they look no more. That's what the business said here. They look the same. See, look at that. Yeah, this is the first part of a continuous series, an episode. See the world through the lens of Taz Pro Media. And my brother here, Trevor. Stay there. About think Trevor normal. I'll find your name. Alright, I'll find your name. Yes man, it's true. I have to find your name for my business brethren here. And my brother this. That's the only place never see look like Ghana. With the trench. With the whole. What? Only in Ghana alone see them with the trench. The one in Ghana. At least these ones, if you're dropping at them, you're alright. The only thing you might get bruised up. Yeah, but I like it so far. Breadfruit, look at this. Trevor, what? And see ackee tree there. Big breadfruit, you know. Look at it. Big breadfruit. People like Grenada can't hungry Trevor, man. Yeah, we don't want no town right now. Country, we say. It's a one way, isn't it, Trev? And a one way this. You see the arrow pointing down this way. So are we going up here? We reach already? We reach? What? What this place called? Grenville. Yeah. Even the dog, them look the same. Look for them dog. Dog. Are you a dog them, Trevor? Yes, sir. Reach. We're gonna step out now. Yeah. Let me check on my cargo.
Where's MJ my parking? Are you going in? Go inside. You go inside. I'm sorry, babe. You go inside.
Yeah.
Hey.
Let me check on my cargo. Everybody, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I'm just head counting, you know what I
That
mean?
one.
Yeah.
Let me check on my cargo.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Present?
Yes, everybody present.
Are you present? Are you present?
Are you in?
here?
Are you here?
Are you here?
Say yes. Like in school. You're here.
Tell him. Say yes, sir. I'm here. Say yes, sir. I'm here.
Yes, please. Oh man, you know what? I ain't gonna lie. I'm not going to lie. I've been to many countries, and this is the closest to Jamaica.
Serious.
This one. You see all of them trees and things?
Yeah.
What? Only in Jamaica I go and see all.
Really? Wow.
I've been to Trinidad. I've been to enough. You don't see these things.
Major. Look, Major. That's Major.
our dog.
Hi, Major.
Yeah, I hear you bite. I hear you bite. Which one of them bite? What's his
No,
name?
that one probably not alive still. That
Yeah?
was many years ago.
I hear him go for a knife to kill that
Yeah,
one.
he did.
Oh yeah, and
You think he's drunk? He came in, he was vexed. And ever since he was on fire.
Why
He
the-
came up to get the knife. Joe had to stop him.
Yeah, man. But I'm impressed. You see, this is my kind of thing. You see the natural, the fruit trees,
yeah.
all the vegetation, the
I got-
greenery.
Before, when I used to be, because I was like a guava girl.
Yeah.
Town that never sleeps.
This is the guava girl speaking, eh?
I was a guava girl, so I was in the town that never speaks. No, never speaks. The town that never sleeps, as they know it. And when I used to have to come out into anywhere outside of Guelph, it was quiet, boring. Do you know what I mean? Because like Guelph was where everything was happening. Music,
Everything was happening, yeah.
Action. But now I appreciate. I
tell you,
appreciate the tranquility, the peace and quiet, the greenery. Now I like.
it makes sense, doesn't
I
it?
think I could probably say I'm a Grenville girl now.
Yeah, man. Proudly.
And I know there'll be a lot of Guelph people out there that probably throwing stone.
Listen,
But
I'm
I
telling you.
like the peace and quiet.
I
like
see
the
that.
peace and quiet.
And this is actually my first day out after last night. And I've not done much yet.
That's
and
what
I'm
I said.
impressed.
You know, first day you need to just take your time. You just ease your way into everything.
People, we're not even reached the seashore yet. Oh my gosh. Not even the beach yet, you know.
No, that's tomorrow.
Did you see the one behind the houses?
What?
You haven't seen it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I saw-
you
I don't
must
miss
have made it,
nothing.
Right? Oh.
You know, listen. I have to salute you lot. I really have to. You know why? You lot, proper soldier. Stay in the back. They ain't coming out. No, we're good. Rain falling. We're good. This is the
You
life.
just go under the towel. We're like, yeah, that's all right. We're good. We're good. We're going to dry soon.
We're living, man.
Look at this one.
The life we're living.
How is it? You like it?
Listen, I'm home, man. Not no look at England, me from. Except from Grenada, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
What you mean? Big and
Because
proud.
you know, when you get wet, in 2 seconds you're dry. You're
Yeah,
dry.
look,
You
I
can't,
dry.
I can't even remember. Look.
can't even tell that it was raining.
When was
It's
it
true.
raining? When?
It's so.
And you can never do this anywhere else.
This is beautiful. You know what? You lot will appreciate this video later on when you watch it back.
Thank you.
I'm telling you.
Yes.
This is just
I
day one.
I agree. When we look back at the video, we're just going to be like, wow.
Yeah, it's very true.
This is day one.
I know.
Wait.
Day one.
Once you start to do other different things, and you
It's gonna be
put
a
all,
big thing.
Yeah.
trust me, people gonna see. Oh, these lot, what they talking about? Let me go and see
Yeah.
what they on about.
Yeah, it's true.
Don't worry,
It's true.
parking the car is coming.
Yeah.
You know?
They're just parking the car. We're getting off now. We're coming out now. Don't worry.
Well, you want the
Yeah,
back to
let
open?
us out? Yeah, if you could bring us.
Wait, you still have Nando's bag? Didn't you finish your food?
I'm gonna finish it here. Trust me. I don't leave this bag. Trust me.
Oh no, it's not finished.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Right. Let me walk go up here. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah. So, I heard about these dogs.
What you doing? Show me yourself again.
I hear dogs biting. Who's that? Who's that, Trev? What?
Making too much noise.
What is it? Sure, what are you looking for? What are you looking at? Him. Him who? Oh. Yeah.
Where are you from? Where are you from? You got keep for me? Okay, later. We're here, can and so. Let's see how to fix that road for you.